Hey, happy Monday night to you. So, lots of things going on, lots of debugging new code, and people really contributing, and I really appreciate it. Um, this is a message out to the PayPal people who are wondering, hey, where's my key? There's about 30 of you who've started the activation process but didn't finish clicking with PayPal, and a few of you didn't realize that until you messaged me. So there's a PayPal activation sitting in an email inbox for you somewhere. Go ahead and activate it. Don't message me asking me where your key is, because until you activate through PayPal for your subscription, you're not going to be able to get the key because PayPal will just say, hey, they activated but forgot. So anyway, that's where if you've activated halfway through PayPal and you didn't finish the activation, you may think you've already, you're ready for a key, but unfortunately, PayPal is waiting for the authorization from you. So there's about 30 of you right now. So yeah. Anyway, so that's where that's at. Happy Monday. Things are doing great. I'm really enjoying what's going on. Got some great energy, some great people. Really organizing everything in a much more scientific way with regards to debugging and things of this nature. And so, hey, doing good. I've also got some 20 some odds. I got a bunch of sites that are working right now. I had a list earlier. I had them on my phone, but that was earlier, and I just didn't bring my phone over with me, and I'm not going to go try to find that list. So, got a bunch of sites working. Maybe tomorrow night's video we'll talk about the sites working. Anyway, that's it. Happy Monday night to you, Tuesday morning. I think that's what this is, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, living the programmer's life. And for those of you guys who, didn't finish your activation, when you drop me the emails and say, Greg, where's my key? You got to finish your activation. That's the story. Anyway, have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Good night.